Okay, it's Friday, the 10th of January, doing this around 7 o'clock. We're looking at the temperatures around 8 o'clock, and you can see for the most part they're below freezing or at freezing in some areas in Jersey here as we move further into the night, but they will all drop off below freezing. So any precipitation coming through, now this is 3 a.m. temperatures, any precipitation coming through would be in the form of snow. There'd be no sleet, no freezing rain or rain involved with this system as it moves through. When it starts to move through, the timing of it is, let's see, let's back this off a little bit. It starts to get into Delaware around 1 o'clock in the morning, extreme Delaware, and it's going to work its way slowly into the its east. Delaware is completely covered with some snow, basically light, and it's fluffy snow, so it's going to be roads are going to be a little slick. It's going to be dry snow, so unless they're treated, the roads are going to get slick. And remember, the temperatures are below freezing, so the roads are cold. The ground is cold, so it'll stick. At this time at 2 in the morning, it's in the Philadelphia suburbs. It's not quite to Reading yet, and Potts was it Pottstown down here? They're not getting it yet. It's not in Atlantic City. It's just getting into Cape May. An hour later, it's about 3 a.m. and it's pretty much got into southeastern Pennsylvania. It's in southern Jersey. Delaware is still snowing. It's just starting to get in central and northern New Jersey. This is around 4 a.m. and it's pretty much covered all of Delaware, most of New Jersey. It's just getting into New York City at this point in time at 4 a.m. This is around 5 a.m. Let's see. Here's 5 a.m. The heavier snow is now moved out this way. It's beginning to back off. Here around 5. This is around 6. You can see it's already starting to clear out in southern Delaware and New Jersey. Um, and even out here, it's getting really light out here towards Reading and Lancaster. And then you can see by 7 a.m., it's letting up in Philly. And the sad part about this is this snow is all going to fall before traffic starts to move in the morning. So expect some slick travel out there before sunrise and even after sunrise. And here it is. This is around 9 a.m. and you can see it's cleared the area, except for some flurries to the north. There is nothing. This takes you into Saturday night. This takes you overnight Saturday night. This takes you into Sunday, and you can still see it's fairly clear out there of precipitation. Your total snow, let's talk about this a little bit. You can see basically the city of Philly, an inch, inch and a half, suburbs up here towards Reading, inch, inch and a half, Allentown around an inch or so. I think even these areas out here where it doesn't show it quite makes an inch. I think an inch is quite possible. The storm tends to overachieve a little bit to the north, so I expect some of these lighter gray areas to fill in with an inch, inch and a half also. I even expect this to be maybe half an inch to an inch up here. So I think it'll increase a little bit, but it doesn't need a lot. You don't need a lot now, especially with the roads cold and it falling in the nighttime hours. So be careful of the roads out there as you travel. And I'll talk to you again on Sunday.